Hello everyone, my name is Navjot, and in this video we will discuss how we can create a simple table in LibreOffice Writer. How we can create a table in LibreOffice Writer. इस वीडियो में हम ये सीखेंगे कि किसी LibreOffice Writer सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर एक टेबल किस तरह से क्रिएट की जा सकती है, हम एक टेबल कैसे बना सकते हैं LibreOffice राइटर के अंदर। सबसे पहले अपना कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट योर कंप्यूटर एंड इन द स्टार्ट मेन्यू ऑन द लोअर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर टाइप LibreOffice Writer. If you have already installed it, LibreOffice Writer will come in the search results. LibreOffice Writer. Once this LibreOffice Writer starts, then to create a table in your document, on your standard toolbar, look for an icon that resembles a table. The name of this icon is Insert Table, and the shortcut key for the wizard is Control F12. Shortcut key is Control F12. Now click on this button and you can see a new wizard will open. Suppose I want to create a table of 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. I want to create a table of 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. So I'll click on it and see LibreOffice Writer created a table of 3 by 3 for me. LibreOffice Writer created a table of 3 by 3 for me. Now if you want, you can enter your data in it. Suppose I want to enter name of my students. In the next column, I'll enter their father name. And then their mother's name. Now you can fill the data in the next rows. So my name, then you can enter that person's father name, and in the next column you can enter his or her mother name. See, I created a table of 3 by 3 where the top row, this is row. I hope you know the difference between the rows and column. If you don't, please watch the previous videos that what are rows and columns and cells in LibreOffice Writer. Watch the previous video if you don't know what are rows, columns and cells in LibreOffice Writer. So just now we have created a table in LibreOffice Writer by using the stand button on standard toolbar. There is method number 2. There are 2 ways to create table. Another way is by using the standard menu bar, this table button. Next to your styles, you will have insert table, and the insert table wizard will come. Now in this table you can name your table. This table you can name it your names of the students. Tell it how many columns do you want and how many rows do you want. Suppose I want to create a table, but this time I want 4 columns. So I changed columns to 4 and rows to 4, 4 by 4. 4 rows, 4 columns. Options. What options do you have? The first option is heading. Do you want a heading of your column or not? Usually we do have headings. In some cases we don't. So in this case we will have a heading in our table. Then you can choose the styles that you want. There are different styles with lines, default, academic, box blue, box green, table with a green color, table with a red color, table with a yellow color, or you can create your custom. In the later videos we will learn how we can create our own styles. So in this case we will keep it to default, normal table with lines, black lines. Insert, click on insert button. See, again it created a table for me, but this time it has 4 rows and 4 columns. So we learned, just now we learned 2 ways. One is by menu bar, table, insert table. Another one was on the standard toolbar, insert table icon. So both these methods will work. इस वीडियो में हमने 2 तरीके सीखे जिससे हम कोई टेबल क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. पहला तरीका था मेन्यू बार पर टेबल बटन में इंसर्ट टेबल ऑप्शन में जाकर. दूसरा तरीका है स्टैंडर्ड टूलबार के ऊपर इंसर्ट टेबल बटन को क्लिक करके. थर्ड वे बाय विच यू कैन क्रिएट अ टेबल, तीसरा तरीका जिससे आप टेबल क्रिएट कर सकते हैं वो है कंट्रोल F12. इसकी शॉर्टकट की है कंट्रोल F12. कंट्रोल F12 इसकी शॉर्टकट की है जिसको प्रेस करने पर इंसर्ट टेबल विजार्ड आपके सामने प्रेजेंट हो जाएगा.